on our across flats method. So we did across corners earlier, now we're going to be focusing on our across flats method. So we're going to be getting our horizontals and our verticals. So it's very important that you have your horizontals and your verticals. And for the purpose of this drawing, our horizontals and our verticals will be extended, and you will understand why in a few minutes from now. So it will be extended. So across flats method. So let us now open our compass to 20 millimeters as we did before. Now having done that, 20 millimeters, 20 millimeters, and we have now swung a circle. Now having done that, students, there are a few more extended lines that we will need. We're going to be extending our baseline. This, if you notice, our baseline is parallel to our center line, and we're going to be extending a line that is also going to be at the top of our circle. Now these lines that we have extended, that we have drawn, they are only touching the circle at one point. Now where do we go from here? Since we're using that cross flats method, then what you will need to do is to actually get your set squares. And the set square that you're going to be using is your 60-30 set square. Now having done that, you notice I have my t square and my set square. Now I'm going to be sliding my set square. Now the line that I'm going to be drawing will only be touching my circle at one point. And it will also be cutting my other lines that I have drawn. So if you notice right here, that line touches my circle. I could also repeat the process in this domain. Then, I should turn over my set square. Then if I should slide it up to the top. So from there, you could see our hexagon. Now we're going to be using a different color to brighten our hexagon. So this now is a regular hexagon using our across flats method. Now if you should compare both, you realize that for the across corners method, your hexagon would be within the circle. You would realize it. But for our cross flats method, our hexagon falls outside the circle. So it's a little bit bigger than the hexagon that we use across corners to draw. So students, let us recap. We have our horizontals, our verticals, and what we have done, having drawn our circle at a radius of 20 millimeters, we extended our baseline that touches our circle, and the top line that touches our circle. And having done that, we use our 60-30 degrees. You cannot do this with your 45. Your 60-30 degrees. So here we will be 60, an angle of 60, 60, 60, or 60-30 degrees. And we use our 60s to get our respective lengths for hexagon. So try this and please post the drawings in the WhatsApp group.